Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Windows XP. First of all, open your web browser, go to google.co.in. Now search here for Rufus. Click on the first link, then scroll down to download and download the first. Its size about 1.4 MB. Then go to this website. I have given this website link in the description given below. Now go to download options, click on ISO image. The download will start and the file size is about 535.9 MB. After downloading the image file, close the browser, open the application which we have downloaded before, Rufus. Give him admin privilege. Now select your device, insert the device like pen drive or CD drive and choose it from here. Now select the image file, wait for few seconds while it's scanning the image. Click on start, click yes, click ok, wait for 2 or 3 minutes to complete, wait for its completion. Now the device is ready to boot, click close. Now restart your PC and boot the media device which we make the bootable device. After selecting your device, this menu will open. Here setup is starting Windows. Press to set up Windows XP now. Press enter. So press enter. Click F8 to agree the terms and conditions. Choose your disk. Format the partition using NTFS. Click enter and view for few minutes as it is formatting the hard drive. Now it's copying the file to the hard disk. It will take some time. Wait for few more seconds. Now press enter to restart the computer. Now you can move your CD drive or pen drive from the computer. Now this is the screen will appear after the restart. Now select customize, choose the country and leave everything as it is. Here you can name anything and writing it as workspace, workplace. Here is the product key I have given in the description, or you can find it from the web. Here is the key CKBQP-KVXGX-H6H4C-MXCBC, then HYJC3. Then click enter. Here you can name your computer whatever you want to. Then click next. You can keep your password here. Then click next. Again click next. Wait for the installation. Now it's almost done. Now your PC will restart itself. Click OK. Again click OK. Click next. Now you can make users. Then click next. Here is your Windows XP installed on your system. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.